Hello everyone, in this video we are going to check pricechecker.com that whether it's legit or a scam. Right, so I will mention here three major concerns that you make sure you check it by yourself. So the very first thing is that is scam allegations. Multiple YouTube reviews explicitly label pricechecker.com as a scam. You can see a lot of videos, you can just go through it, right? But of course we are not should be dependent on the this YouTube videos. Reviewers have shared negative experience, warning potential users to be cautious while engaging with this site, right? And of course, this is among several videos in that a platform may not be delivered or it promise and could be designed to mislead user. So of course, it's depending up to you, and of course, make sure you just go to this website and verify each and everything. The second thing is lack of transparency. Users have reported that this website does not have provided clear information about how it operates or how user can legitimately win prizes. So there's a very incomplete information, and most of the information is completely incomplete. You won't be find each and everything on this website, right? This is very important. And the third thing is negative user feedback. Many reviews highlight issues such as difficulty in claiming prices and lack of customer support, further contributing to perception that pricechecker.com is not a legitimate platform for winning prizes. So of course, I cannot label this website as a completely scam, but this is this is very vague. The information is not complete and nothing is provided. No information, no contact information. There's a no about us and nothing, right? So it's very difficult to trust such websites. I hope you found this video information really useful. If it did, subscribe.